Toyota's CEO just did something that sounds impossible in today's market. Released a genuine body-on-frame pickup truck with a starting price of just $12,000. If you've watched truck prices climb so high that owning a new work vehicle feels completely out of reach, this $12,000 Toyota is about to change everything for small business owners and working-class buyers. While competitors keep adding expensive tech features and pushing base models toward $30,000, Toyota stripped this truck down to pure capability and work-focused design, delivering payload ratings that beat mid-sized trucks at a price that undercuts everything on the market by half. Affordable and practical. The automotive world loves complexity these days. Touch screens replacing buttons, subscription services for heated seats, lane-keeping systems that fight drivers for control. But Toyota took a completely different approach with the Hilux Champ, stripping everything back to what actually matters for people who need a truck to work. What sets the Hilux Champ apart from compact pickups like the Maverick or Santa Cruz starts underneath the body panels. While those vehicles ride on unibody platforms borrowed from crossovers, the Hilux Champ utilizes genuine body-on-frame architecture. That same IMV platform supporting the legendary Hilux overseas forms the foundation here, meaning this $12,000 truck shares its bones with one of the most indestructible pickups ever engineered. Anyone who's owned a unibody pickup understands the limitations when loads get heavy or terrain gets challenging. The frame flexes, components stress, and that crossover DNA shows itself. Body-on-frame construction eliminates those concerns entirely. The latter frame absorbs punishment that would twist unibody structures, delivering superior towing capacity, higher payload ratings, and durability that extends far beyond typical ownership periods. The suspension setup reveals Toyota's commitment to work capability. Up front sits a double wishbone independent suspension, while the rear relies on a solid axle with leaf springs, technology perfecting load-bearing tasks for over a century. Think about what happens when a contractor loads a pallet of concrete bags into a truck bed. Independent rear suspension compresses unevenly, creating handling instability. A solid axle with leaf springs, it just sits there and takes it, distributing weight evenly while those springs provide progressive resistance that actually improves as loads increase. Bed length tells the real story of this truck's purpose. The standard wheelbase version stretches that cargo bed to 5.9 feet, already longer than the Maverick or Santa Cruz. But the long wheelbase configuration delivers a massive 7.6-foot bed. Most midsize trucks top out at 6 feet, and only a handful of full-size pickups still offer 8-foot beds. This $12,000 Toyota matches bed length with trucks costing 3 or 4 times its price. So the truck is built tough and can carry serious loads. But what good is capability if versatility is limited? That's where Toyota's configuration strategy completely changes the game. Endless configuration options. Here's where the Hilux Champ transforms from interesting to revolutionary. That $12,000 starting price doesn't buy a finished product. It secures a foundation for literally any commercial application imaginable. The chassis cab variant arrives as a bare-bones platform, allowing businesses to configure the rear section exactly how their specific operation demands. Every small business owner knows the frustration of trying to make a standard pickup work for specialized needs. Plumbers need organized storage for hundreds of parts. Electricians require secure compartments for expensive equipment. Landscapers need space for both materials and machinery. Standard pickup beds force everyone into the same box, requiring expensive aftermarket modifications or settling for compromised functionality. Toyota recognized that every industry requires slightly different solutions. Instead of dictating how customers should use their trucks, the Hilux Champ hands them a capable platform and steps aside. Before production even started, Toyota presented concepts demonstrating the possibilities: food trucks, ambulances, fire response vehicles, dump configurations, utility beds, flatbeds, each variation showcasing how adaptable this platform becomes. Toyota partnered with over 100 aftermarket companies in Thailand, creating an entire ecosystem ready to transform chassis cab units into purpose-built commercial vehicles. Small businesses no longer need to purchase expensive specialty vehicles. A landscaping company can install exactly the storage they need. A contractor can build the perfect mobile workshop. Municipal services can configure emergency response vehicles without paying premium prices. The Hilux Champ becomes whatever its owner needs it to be. All this capability sounds perfect for developing markets, but North America presents different challenges, particularly when fuel economy and emissions regulations come into play. Hybrid is coming. Markets throughout Southeast Asia are receiving the Hilux Champ with straightforward powertrain options, gasoline or diesel engines paired with manual or automatic transmissions. These setups prioritize simplicity in regions where complex hybrid systems might challenge local repair capabilities. But North American standards require different solutions. Anyone running a small fleet knows how quickly fuel costs accumulate when trucks idle on job sites or make constant stop-and-go deliveries. A contractor with 3 trucks burning through 40 gallons per week each. That's over $6,000 annually just in fuel. Therefore, the US spec Hilux Champ is preparing to arrive with electrification options alongside traditional gasoline powertrains. The IMV platform was engineered with powertrain flexibility from the start, meaning hybrid integration doesn't require compromising the body-on-frame construction that makes this truck suitable for serious work. Toyota's self-charging hybrid technology could drop combined fuel consumption well into the mid-30s for miles per gallon, immediately making the Hilux Champ competitive with efficiency-focused compact pickups while maintaining genuine truck capability. The gasoline-only version will carry the lowest purchase price, appealing to customers prioritizing upfront affordability and mechanical simplicity. No battery degradation concerns, no specialized service requirements, just proven technology that mechanics everywhere understand. The powertrain efficiency is impressive, but if the truck is too small to handle real work, none of that matters, which is why the actual dimensions might surprise you. Size and proportions. Early assumptions about a $12,000 pickup truck naturally gravitated toward images of tiny commercial vehicles, maybe something comparable to Japanese K-trucks. Those assumptions collapse immediately upon examining actual specifications. The standard Hilux Champ measures 185 inches in total length, riding on a 108.3-inch wheelbase. Those dimensions place it squarely in compact pickup territory, though slightly smaller than the Ford Maverick's 200-inch overall length. But that comparison ignores a crucial difference. The Maverick dedicates significant space to a crew cab configuration, cramming 4 doors and rear passenger seating at the expense of bed length. The Hilux Champ offers single cab configuration. This eliminates rear passenger doors and second-row seating, redirecting that space toward cargo capacity. The result? That 185-inch truck delivers a 5.9-foot bed, substantially longer than what the larger Maverick provides. Anyone who's tried loading full sheets of plywood into a Maverick knows the problem. The bed's too short, forcing materials to hang over the tailgate, creating instability and wasting time on every job. A 5.9-foot bed eliminates most of those headaches. The long wheelbase variant stretches the wheelbase to 121.5 inches and overall length to nearly 199 inches. These measurements put it in direct competition with mid-size pickups like the Tacoma or Colorado, but the single cab layout allows that extra length to translate directly into cargo bed dimensions, resulting in that impressive 7.6-foot bed that exceeds what most mid-size trucks offer. The dimensions check out and the capability is real, but the question everyone wants answered is simple. When can you actually buy one, and will that $12,000 price hold up? Release date and price. Base chassis cab configurations are targeting the $12,000 starting point, a figure that seems almost fictional in today's automotive landscape. That price sits below virtually every new passenger car on the American market. Most economy sedans easily exceed $25,000, and those vehicles offer nothing approaching the utility this Toyota delivers. Standard pickup bed models will command slightly higher prices, but they will maintain a massive pricing advantage. The Ford Maverick has crept toward $30,000 for base models. Traditional midsize pickups have pushed well past $35,000. The Hilux Champ could arrive costing literally half what comparable vehicles demand. Production for North American markets is planned for the next year, and the only question remaining centers on whether Toyota will price the truck aggressively enough to truly disrupt the market. But even if base models arrive at, let's say, $18,000 instead of $12,000, that pricing still undercuts everything else substantially. The potential to build a capable work truck for that kind of money could revolutionize fleet operations and small business transportation. All in all, the Hilux Champ represents everything the pickup market desperately needs: genuine capability without unnecessary complexity, work-focused design without lifestyle pretensions, and pricing that makes sense for people who need trucks to earn a living. Body-on-frame construction delivers durability that crossover-based competitors can't match, while bed length stretching up to 7.6 feet handle materials that force other compact pickups into compromise. The chassis cab configuration opens possibilities that standard pickup beds never could, and coming hybrid powertrains will address fuel economy without sacrificing capability. If Toyota commits to bringing this truck to North America with aggressive pricing intact, the Hilux Champ will force the entire industry to reconsider what trucks should cost and who they're supposed to serve. But don't think that Toyota is the only one that's working a super affordable pickup to revolutionize the market. Jeep is going in a similar direction, with a pickup truck that's expected to start at just $18,000. Besides affordability and utility, that pickup will also offer strong off-road performances, along with a strong focus on aesthetics.